Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Today, we're diving into something truly glamorous: custom nail polish bottles. Get ready to elevate your nail game with these fabulous bottles. Crafted with precision and designed to dazzle. These bottles are the perfect canvas for your creativity. Whether you're a nail artist looking to stand out or a salon owner aiming to impress your clients, these bottles are a game changer in the world of nail aesthetics. And here's the cherry on top. Not only do these bottles exude sophistication, but they also offer premium protection to keep your nail polish fresh and flawless. The customization options are endless. Don't miss out. Reach out to us today to start designing your own signature nail polish bottles and unleash your creativity like never before.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.